Hey, it just snowed outside, so it's that time of year. Time to warm up. Time to warm up with a hot drink, buddy. Warm up.
Your lady Swiss instant cocoa. What's the best way to start your day? What's the best way to start your day? What's the best way to start your day? Instant cocoa. Okay, gang, what do you do for a warm-up break?
I'm in love with the cocoa. I like to drink it so slow. I'm in love with the cocoa. I like to drink it so slow. I throw in some marshmallow. It's got me feeling. The store is where I bought it. It's 100% chocolate. I boil up the water. I wait until it's hot. Then I stir in the cocoa. I stir it in there so slow. Microwave it, I'll just microwave it. Microwave it, I'll just microwave it.
Instant Give a little yodel.
Cause I'm in love with the cocoa. I like to drink it so slow. To my mouth is yum yum. On the way to my yum.
In love with the cocoa.
I'll just microwave it.
You want me to share some, but I ain't gonna share some. I know you think I'm mean, but I just put on some whipped cream. I'm in love with the cocoa. I like to drink it so slow. Cause I'm in love with the cocoa. You ain't getting no more. The store is where I bought it. It's 100% chocolate. You ain't getting no cocoa. Cause I'm the one who went to the store and bought it. Alright, let's see here. 3 minutes. Should be some hot cocoa right there. Alright. Looks good. Oh, there you go. Yummy.
So all you do is add hot water and...
I blow before I sip the cocoa. Cause I do not want to burn my momo. In my book that is a no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Get in the whack, cow. So. Get in the whack, cow. So. Get in the whack, cow. So. Get in the whack, cow. So.
Voila.
Get in the whack, cow. So.
Voila.
Get in the whack, cow. So.
I do not drink that Swiss Miss. It's 100% chocolate. I love all the cocoa. except that fake It's 100% Shack. The store is where I bought it. 'Cause I'm in love with that cocoa. The cold don't get you no more. Microwave it, I'll just microwave it. Microwave it, I'll just microwave it. I'll just microwave it.
There's no talking in the Whak calzone.
Yo, you are so stupid! Oh my god! Wait, what did you break?
Wild and totally fun, because that is what this album was for me. This album was for me. This album was for me.
That's how you make a really amazing cup of hot chocolate at home. All you need to do is buy some 100% cocoa powder.
You look outside and it's snow. So make yourself some cocoa. Time of year for the cocoa. You know I love the cocoa.
Give a little yodel.
You're late.
You're late.
Get in the Whak calzone. You are Cal, you have been Whak. That is why we have the Whak calzone. Get it!
Cause I 3 minutes.
Shut up!
Here you go.
Ho, ho, ho!
3 minutes.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Nicely done, Jolly One. Dear hot cocoa.
Such beautiful music.